So when you're in that comfortable position in your chair, feel free to close your eyes, allow your arms and legs to rest nice and easily, nice and heavily, and start to slow the pace of your thoughts, slow the pace of your mind, and most importantly, to slow the pace of your breath. We're not worried about anything outside of this class. We're not stressed about anything outside of our control. Right now, we're content with the way everything is, and we are present with our breath and present with our mind. If our mind goes astray, let's not be harsh on ourselves. Let's not get frustrated that we can't focus. Simply remind yourself that is okay, that is normal, and move back to your breath. Move back to that anchor that can give you life, that can give you energy. If you just simply take some time to let it do its work. Breathe in nice and carefully, and breathe out that wonderful air. Let's do today a quick scan of our body, focusing on tightening and relaxing different areas of our muscles. Start with our feet. Go ahead and allow yourselves to tighten all of the muscles in your feet. Think about clenching them as much as possible. And then go ahead and relax. Relax those feet muscles. Relax them as deeply as you can. Moving up our body, we're going to work into our legs now. Think about tightening your legs, your thighs, as much as possible. Having all that intention go towards that area. And then relax. Relax your legs. And now letting them join your feet, your lower body, become as relaxed as you can. Let's move up into our fists and our arms. Create as much tension and tightness through those fist, arm muscles as possible. Clench them as hard as you can. And then take a breath in, exhale, and relax those hands. Letting them join your legs and your feet as we move up into our torso. Go ahead now, clench your abs, clench your core, create as much tightness through that area as possible, just like you're bracing for impact. Take a breath in, take a breath out. And then lastly, your shoulders, neck, face, all of those little muscles, tighten them as much as possible. Create as much rigidity through that area. And then in one foul swoop, relax, relax, relax. Your entire body now is completely limp. All of the stress and anxiety is gone. You can let your body and your mind heal, as this is your time to breathe in peace. We'll spend the final few moments of class in our silence, in our peace, enjoying our sense of relaxation and time with ourselves. Go ahead and breathe. Go ahead and finish your final few breaths in this meditation. And as you do so, I always like to remind everyone how just a few moments of dedicated focus time towards breathing and relaxing can make you feel. Let's take our final breath as a class, all the way in and all the way out. As you do so, you may slowly open your eyes back towards the center of class, as we are all finished